Thank you, sir.
Dead Muzib is connecting.
Hello.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
Yes. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Fine, brother. How are you doing here?
I am also fine. Thank you so much to join with us. This is Golzer and actually work for you, Mr. Dear. Just hi, hello. Karu.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, I am Mr. Nurelam Shopon. This is my mentor, Mr. Golzer.
Okay.
Okay, dear Muzib. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Oh, from Pakistan. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay. If you have any question on your channel, you can ask me anything because a few times ago, research your channel and find lots of skippable area. If you update it perfectly, then you can see a good result day by day. If you have any types of question on your channel, you can ask me anything.
What's your name? Gulzar.
Yeah, Guljar.
Gulzar. Actually, I was expecting a meeting at 2 o'clock, but now actually I have only 15 minutes left. I have to go because I was on a lunch break from 2 to 3 o'clock.
Okay.
So I will try to wrap it up very fast. So you are saying that you will increase my viewership.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And your or subscribers also.
Okay, dear. Thank you so much. And for your kind information, we want to help you to grow your YouTube channel with subscribers, views, and another things. Before that, we need to market it perfectly by completing our all everything. That's called on page or off page marketing. Do you know what is on page and off page?
Search engine optimization.
Yeah. This is the right. This is called
Yes.
on page, and that's called need to optimize your each and every video when you can see a good
Okay.
result day by day. We
Okay.
cannot provide you any types of targeted subscribers, views, or likes or comments because if we market your channel perfectly, then you can see a good result day by day. It's 100% organic. But if you want, we can provide you lots of likes or views, but it's a fake method. You cannot try on your channel because
No, I just believe in organic things. No, nothing.
yes,
Yeah.
of course. And for organic work, need to research your targeted keywords first. After that, need to share your content every day by schedule maintain. Okay.
Okay. So Gulzar, can you show me let's go and take it like a test case and do something on my videos and show it to me that what difference and what change you can bring. Can you do this?
Yes, we can do this. Before that, we want to inform you. You can just search my name on Google. Then you can see more than thousands of portfolio on YouTube, Google, and another site. There is no problem. Just wait. I'm going to share my screen. Dear, please give me access to share my screen.
Share my screen?
No. Just wait. Nurialam send me access to show my screen. Okay, dear Nurialam, please give me access. Host করুন আমাকে.
Yes, sir.
আমার নামের উপর গিয়ে 3 ডটে ক্লিক করে মেক হোস্ট.
You're from Bangladesh?
Yeah, we are from Bangladesh.
Right now, which city you are in Bangladesh?
Okay, Rangpur.
Raunpur.
Yeah.
No, do you have any office? Do you have any representative here in Canada?
Yeah, of course. Canada, Texas, and also Australia. 3 countries. We have an agency. Okay, just if you want, you can just search my name, Golzer, Golzer. Then you can search. After that, you can visit our website. This one. This is our YouTube channel. Also, this is our LinkedIn profile, company profile. This is our Google Map. You can see everything. Also, there is lots of. This is our agency's office in Bangladesh. This is my office, and also you can. And this is another office. We have 3 or 4 office. This is my team. Okay. This is my team. Okay, yeah. Mujib, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can.
Yeah, this is my team. Okay, you can visit everything. Just wait, I am going to my YouTube channel.
Send me a link over to WhatsApp, please.
Okay, of course. Nuri Alam send you all details on your WhatsApp. Okay, if you search by playlist, then you can see everything, our work details, our portfolio, everything. Okay.
Listen, Gulzar. What
Yeah.
are how much you're charging? First, tell me about because I'm very concerned about the charges. Then I will go forward because I'm like a. But anyway, please go ahead.
Okay, dear, there is budget no issue first time. We want to research your channel analytics first. After that, we can make a report and provide you an audit report with full details. Then we can fix a budget. Without research your channel analytics, we cannot fix a budget.
Can you give me an idea and any range?
Actually,
Because I don't want to waste your time because you also
yeah.
like it's. I think it's night over there.
Yeah.
Okay. And I don't want to. It's your sleeping time, and I don't want to disturb your time also. And as far as I'm also very busy, so give me a range so I can see where I'm standing, whether I can go forward or not.
Okay. Actually, we can work for our another client monthly basis, weekly basis. Monthly basis minimum 200 to 500 US dollars. Depends on video content and quality and editable area. Okay.
$200 to 500? No, brother, it's too much. Sorry.
For a month, 200 US dollars minimum budget is.
No. Sorry, then. Sorry, also, brother. This is not my range.
Also, you can share me your budget. There is no problem. Just you can share me. What's your?
I can do one thing. I have no budget, but I can share a percentage of whatever the monetizing I will be getting. I will share a percentage out of it with you. Okay, but I cannot give you anything right away or something like, because I'm not making any money. It's I just saw today my revenues. It's only $25.
Okay, I understand. Please give us few time to think about it with Mr. Nuri Alam. After that, we can join in another Zoom meeting when we can discuss again. Okay.
Okay, fine. No problem. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Assalamu
alaikum. আচ্ছা নুরুল আলম, যেটা কথা হলো সে হচ্ছে আপনার দ্বারা কাজ করতে চাচ্ছে বাট